shoot Australia some kind of big well. Boy, you gotta learn how to drop it. You gotta learn how to stop it. Hey, brother, but you stop it in Oklahoma right there, baby.
And I knew I should have been down there anyway, Stormy, but you know how it is, man. You get pig-headed, you don't pay attention to what the hell's going on, and all of a sudden you're sitting out there, you're most talking. I said you're most talking, not ghost talking, you're most talking. You're mostly talking somewhere you ain't got no damn business talking. Good evening, good afternoon to you, Stormy. Me in this small station right now, I'm banking left.
Right here, right back. Hey, brother, why you bringing left? Why you bringing left? See, I got this out here. Hey, brother, see, I was running a minute ago. I was running about 1900, 2200 RPM. Shoot, I'm cruising right now like about 1500. I'm cruising at 1500 RPM. Hey, brother, I had to back it way down so I don't overshoot you. Hey, brother, the Green Big 3 Hot Suburban, if you still got a copy, bake.
Stormy, every time you key that cat nigga. Hey, Stormy, every time you key that cat nigga, you know where you got that at? That's about where I am. 1500. No doubt about it, man. I was up there, and man, I told you, I did the most talking nowhere. I wasn't ghost talking. I did the most talking nowhere. Good evening, good afternoon to you, Stormy. I'm going to get out of your mobile. I'm going to do it like it should be. Stormy, your buzzard. Stormy, your buzzard up around the northwest corner, and I bank live. Stormy, and that's a buzzard. Roger. All right, man, I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I was trying to figure it out, and I finally figured it out. I said, God damn, buzzard, you got your gas, you got your feet too far in the gas, Cat Migger. All right, Stormy, I'm gonna get on out your Cat Migger. It is, man. It's always a pleasure on this Cat Migger in the end. Stormy, your buzz up around. Who said I can't key on your ass if I pay attention county and I'm gone?
Real good copy. Hey, brother, you got your county doing this kind of big thing. You got the county in line. Hey, brother, in the northwest quarter, stormy weather in the Midwest. I'm in Oklahoma. Tulsa, Oklahoma, right downtown, Greenwood, Orchard, and Pan. They call it back Wall Street. I just got down.
I'm gonna give you the long one, Cat Migger, because you know what I'm about to say, don't you? If you didn't hear the sound and you didn't see the shadow, Stormy, my black ass already at home. Stormy, our keys no more. Good day.
Rabbit, Roger Rabbit, Big Star with the wave is getting up.
And that'll ride you, Rabbit. And that'll ride you, Rabbit. When that Cat Migger Stormy weather got that Cat Migger hammer down, hey, Rabbit, that Cat Migger bad, man. Hey, Roger Rabbit, when that Cat Migger Stormy got that Cat Migger hammer down, I don't hear nothing but them turbines under that Cat Migger hood. Hello to you, Roger Rabbit. Once again, Roger Rabbit, your buzz at northwest corner. Come on now.
The Super Bowl and right on, so I'm gonna get out Buzzard way. You said when he got his mind made up, his mind is made up, Buzzard. Oh, Rabbit, say have yourself a blessed day.
And that Roger Rabbit, he didn't keep that Cat Migger time, no doubt about it, man. But when that Stormy got his mind made up, man. Hey, Rabbit, when that Cat Migger Stormy got his mind made up, ain't a damn thing I can hear but them turbines under that hood of that mobile show is. Hello to you once again, Roger Rabbit. Roger Rabbit down round the store, your buzzed up round. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I'm back over at 7 again. Roger Rabbit, good day.
Hey, brother, Stormy weather, I just stand back because I like the way I like the way you make my radio talk. Hey, brother, Stormy weather, stand back because I love the way you make my Cat Migger radio talk in the black hole. Brother, the great big DC Mobile in Oklahoma, that town. Texas, goddamn.
And that Araya Rabbit in Texas, no doubt about it, Roger. And that Araya, no doubt about it, but that kept making key down, man. He say he likes to sit back and listen to how my cat making radio sound. So he was off the mall for a minute, but he keyed up to let me know he was still listening to my station because he say he likes how it makes his cat making mobile sound. All right, Roger Rabbit, let me get on out of here, man. Roger Rabbit, Stormy, Roger Rabbit. Yo, buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I just went back 7. Now, good day.
Hey, PC Master, you razzing up in Stormy Weather Radio. Hey, PC Master, you razzing up in Stormy Weather Radio. Hey, PC Master, you razzing up in the Stormy Weather Radio, but you're not talking to me. You're not talking to me. Don't get it twisted. I'm not trying to jump on nobody, and I ain't trying to whoop nobody. I'm just letting you know you're in Stormy Weather's radio. Stormy Weather clear.
I can see right now I'm gonna have to knock this tree down. I can see right now I'm gonna have to gnaw this tree down and put it over the road.
I'm gonna tell you what you hijacked. You hijacked Stormy Weather's big DC mobile. Hey, Fireball. You hijacked Stormy Weather's big DC mobile in Oklahoma. Hey, Fireball. And where I'm from, they call it carjacking. But I'm not gonna press no charges. Stormy Weather mobile clear.
Fireball, switchblade, get down.
Go ahead, Dirty. Drop that maul on Fireball. Let me do some circling with this duck chucking sludge hammer. Let me do some circling with this cat making sludge hammer. Yo, buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? Circling with this cat making sludge hammer, and I bank left.
Last thing I'm gonna try to do is get between a cat making business transaction. Stormy Weather said I'm not gonna get in between a business transaction. Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather, Big Mobile, Oklahoma. I'm back out of the way. Hey, Buzzer, I'm not trying to get in the middle of a business transaction. So Stormy Weather Mobile is clear.
All right, Stormy, you say you ain't trying to get in no business. You ain't trying to get in nobody else's business. I'm going to get on out here too, Stormy. Hey, Stormy, I'm going to get on out here too and get out your cat making ears. Stormy, your buzz at northwest corner, circling with this cat making sludge hammer, and I'm banking.
Yeah, now. My radio threw up on the floor up there now. Then let me know it's not my turn to burn no cat making more. Let me get out of here. But y'all later. All y'all take care. Take care. Take care. Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather's Mobile in Oklahoma, 10-7, 10-7, 10-7, Stormy Weather clear.
All right, Stormy, you say yo kept making radio tore up from the floor up. I guess I'm about to get on out of here, man. Show ear. I got some other ones calling me, boy, but when you key up kept making Stormy, I can't hear a damn thing. So I'm going to get on out there and do like you. I'm going to go 7-2, Stormy. Stormy, take care. Sounding good. Did what you had to do when you did it. Stormy Weather, your buzzard. Stormy Weather, your buzzard. Northwest cone, and I bang.
I'm only the messenger. I'm having some fun over up there, fire though. Hey, Fireball, I'm not.
Hey, 511, Stormy Weather, here's your radio, but I'm backing it down on this end. Hey, 511, Stormy Weather, wave right back around Boston, the great big Mobile in Oklahoma, got down.
I'll call you later, Fireball, switchblade got down.
And that right, Black Smoke, am I gonna see you this year in Walterboro? Hey, Black Smoke, am I gonna see you this year in Walterboro? I didn't see you last year, Cat Mickey. You had a lot of things going on, but Black Smoke, I want to know if I'm gonna let a handshake to peep the seas on you in Walterboro at the end of April. Good evening, good afternoon to you, Black Smoke. Your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I'm right back. Let's go.
Hey, brother. I'll see you there, and I will greet you right there, downtown Walterboro, South Carolina. Well, my brother, your low country mutton up brother, smoking in Carolina. Come on.
And that Araya Smoke. And that Araya Black Smoke, no doubt about it, man. All right, man, let me get out of the way. I didn't want to mess up nothing, but while I had condition on the Cat Mickey, I wanted to find out if you going to be there this year so you can be in that picture again, no doubt about it. We missed you last year. Hey, Black Smoke, take care. Tell that Cat Mickey class act I said good evening, good afternoon to him. Black Smoke, your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I bang. Always. Black Smoke, always, man. Black Smoke, always. You know what time it is. No nothing about it. All right, Black Smoke, I ain't gonna leave you out, Cat Mickey. You know what time it is. You know what I got to do when I do it, and I do it well. Hey, Black Smoke, take care. Have a super fine when I'm gonna get on out and get off that Cat Mickey mobile so he don't be out there crying and shit. No doubt about it. Hello to you once again, my friend Black Smoke, Caralinas. Your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I just shut it off. Good day.
Love music brings around the place. Hey, brother. Love music. Hey, kiss the queen and tell her I did
I realized who you was, Cat Mickey. I realized who you was after I got through the conversation, no doubt about it, 1961. Hey, 1961, I realized who you was after we got halfway through the conversation. Damn, that's 1961. That's his partner. That's his right-hand man, no doubt about it. All right, 1961, let me get on out of here, man. I know your ass will be at the break. 1961, your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I'm right back. And that's a Buzzer Riot, 1961. And that's a Buzzer Riot, 1961. Your buzz it around the Northwest corner. And I shut it down.
Hey, Buzz, that old day walker. Buzz, that old day walker said his son's gone down in the bayou, and it's feeding time. And all you on spot, I will kill. Hey, Buzz, that day walker in the bayou said it's feeding time.
Daywalker. Hey, Daywalk, I'm gonna say hello to you, Cat Megan, because you come in the radio like that, Cat Megan. I'm gonna say hello to you. I gotta get out of here, man. Daywalk, I gotta get out of here, man. Somebody might hear me and think this radio talking. Daywalk, I bang.
No, get back. Too late. Hey, Buzz, it's too late. Hey, Buzz, hey, leave here. Don't let me get down here. Be talking about that bank. Hey, Buzz, don't let me get down here. By you country, be talking about that bank. And I was sitting around trying to see where they got it. And they said that's the Captain Buzz out of Oregon. That's the Captain Buzz. He come out, he bank. And they hollering out bank. You got it going on, Buzz. If they walk up on.
Isn't that right, Daywalker? No doubt about it, man. Well, you keep on with the keeping on, man. I'm trying to keep quiet, trying to keep a low profile. You know how it is. Hey, Daywalker, take care. Have a super fine one. Daywalker, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon, and I bank live?
No doubt about it, man. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon, and I guarantee we'll tell you some pleasure stuff and make sure I do it again when we can. I ain't gonna call your name. I'm just gonna ease out while you bang.
You, Daywalker. Okay, then. Appreciate it. Bank.
That was unbelievable. I was trying to feel like it's good.
As I end this gate, yo buzz it up round the northwest corner. And I bank all the way left now. Good day.